So you know it wouldn't be a Bay Maples garden if we weren't tying in our downspouts. So our goal, as always, is to keep all water on site, whether it's gray water, rainwater, stormwater runoff, whatever it may be. How can we utilize it here in the garden? And so here we have our downspouts, and we're gonna tie in this little 3-inch NDS piece, and we're gonna cut here into this metal downspout. We're gonna add this little guy right here, and the water will flow into our swale. And even the rocks in the swale are all repurposed. So the larger cobble was already here on site that we were using. We have some small gravel that Leo is shoveling that was also here in front. We actually screened that rock to get all the dirt out of it, so that's nice and clean now. And then we're gonna reuse that. So we're even repurposing even the rock and gravel here on site. So this is a fantastic example of a bunch of reused materials, from the logs, the mulch, the rocks, the stormwater, so many things being reused, and that's the goal of all of our projects.